Hello kids, welcome back to Magnet Brains. This is Khushi Bhatnagar and today we are going to do chapter 16. Chapter 16 which is making pots. Okay, which is making pots. Pots are like these. This is a beautiful pots. But how to make that? वही तो learn करेंगे इस chapter में that how to make pots. Making pots. But before that we are going to study the beautiful and the very interesting story about a crow and a sparrow. The story is about the crow and the sparrow. The sparrow name is Fudguddi and the crow name is Bhannate. Okay, and this is a very interesting story. Okay, so let's read out the story first. Okay, so making pots. Okay, now you can see in the picture, this is our crow. This is our crow. And its name is Bhannate. Its name is Bhannate. And this is a sparrow. And sparrow name is Fudguddi. Fudguddi. Okay. So these are both our birds. These both are birds. Okay. So they have a very interesting conversation. They have a very interesting conversation. But what is the conversation? So let's read it. Okay. Let's read together. Once there was a sparrow called Fudguddi. Once there is a sparrow. Sparrow is this. And her name is Fudguddi. And a crow called Bhannate. Crow called Bhannate. Crow's name is Bhannate. They were fast friends. Friends means the best friends. Of course, you all have best friends. Similarly, Bhannate and Fudguddi are also the best friends. Okay. So one day Bhannate said, "Oh Fudguddi, if you lay eggs first, then I will eat it. And if I lay eggs first, then you will eat it." What crow said? What Bhannate said? Bhannate said, "Oh Fudguddi, if you lay eggs first, अगर तुमने पहले eggs दिए, so I will gonna eat it. मैं खा लूँगा उन्हें. And उसने कहा कि if I lay eggs first, अगर मैंने पहले egg lay कर दिए, then you will eat." Okay, so ये क्या हो गई उनके बीच की deal हो गई. क्या हो गई? Deal हो गई. Then what happens after that? Fudguddi agreed. Fudguddi said, "Agreed. Okay, fine." Okay. A few days later, Fudguddi laid an egg. But who lays egg first? Fudguddi, यानी our sparrow. Fudguddi lays eggs first. Okay. Then what happens? As their deal, क्या थी deal? Deal is who lay eggs first, the other will gonna eat that. Okay, Bhannate said that if I lay eggs first, you eat that. If you lay egg first, I'll eat that. So now Bhannate gonna eat Fudguddi eggs. As on deal, they have a deal, right? So अगर deal के हिसाब से चले, so Fudguddi laid an egg. So Bhannate gonna eat that egg. But see what happens. Okay. What happens? Bhannate said, "Give me your egg." What Bhannate said? "Give me your egg." Okay. I will eat it. I will eat it. Do give it, give it, give it. Like this. Who is saying that? Bhannate is saying that, give me your egg. Give na, give fast. Okay. So Fudguddi was scared. वो डर गई एकदम से because Bhannate was shouting on her. Give it right now. So Fudguddi was scared. वो डर गई. She said, "Yes, but I want you to first go and wash your beak in the river." What she is saying that go and wash your beak first. Beak is this. So what Fudguddi is saying that go and wash your beak first. Okay. So Bhannate went to the river bank, यानी कि नदी के पास. Bhannate went to a river. वो क्यों गया था river के पास? To wash his beak. So Bhannate went to the river and said to the river. River से क्या बोला? "Oh river." So river said, "Yes brother." Bhannate ने क्या बोला? "Oh river." तो river ने कहा, "Yes brother." Bhannate, "Oh river, please give me some water." What he said? "Oh river, please give me some water." Okay. Then what he said? What he wants to do? With the cold water, I will wash my beak. With the cold water, I will wash my beak. Eating the egg is what I seek. With the fresh water, with the cold water, I wash my beak. And eating the egg is what I seek. मुझे fresh water से I want to wash my beak, and what I want to eat the eggs. So उसने river से बोला, oh river, please give me water. River said, but how will you fill the water? But how will you fill the water? You don't have anything ना. आप fill कैसे करोगे water को? This is the river. Okay, so how will you fill the water? आप water को fill किस में करोगे? So he get a pot. उसने क्या बोला? जाओ एक pot लेकर आओ. Go and get a pot. एक pot लेके आओ. So भन्नाटे went to the potter. वो किसके पास गया भन्नाटे? Potter के पास गया. Why? To get a pot. क्योंकि river ने क्या बोला था? Get a pot to fill the water. So भन्नाटे went to a potter to get a pot. What happens afterwards? Oh potter, please give me a pot. भन्नाटे ने कहा potter से, oh potter, please give me a pot. And afterwards what he said? In the pot, I will get a water from the river. With the cold water, I will wash my face. Eating the egg is what I seek. उसने क्या बोला? Oh potter, please give me a pot. In the pot, I will fill the water. And from the cold water, I will wash my beak. And after washing my beak, what I seek? Eating the eggs. So he want a pot from the potter. But the potter said, but how do I make a pot? मैं pot कैसे बनाऊँ? How do I make a pot? Go and get some clay from the clay pit. You have to get some clay. क्योंकि clay से ही pot बनेगा. So you have to get some clay from the clay pit. Okay. So भन्नाटे fly again and went to the clay pit. And what he said there? भन्नाटे went to the clay pit and said, oh clay pit, please give me some clay. Now what he want? He want clay to make a pot, and in the pot he will fill the water, and from the water he will wash his beak, and then he can eat eggs. So he said that the potter will make a pot for me. I will fill a water in the pot. With the cold water I will wash my beak, and I will wash my beak. Eating the eggs is what I seek. Okay. So the clay pit said, but how do I dig the clay? How did I dig the soil? Soil से ही तो clay बनता है. So what the clay pit is said, how do I dig the soil? मैं soil को कैसे dig करूँगा? Get me some trowel from the blacksmith. You have to bring some trowel from the blacksmith. So भन्नाटे went fly again and went to the blacksmith. And at the blacksmith he asked him, oh blacksmith. What he said? Oh blacksmith. The blacksmith said, yes brother भन्नाटे. Yes brother भन्नाटे. So what do you want भन्नाटे? What do you want? Yes brother भन्नाटे. What do you want? कौन ने कहा? Blacksmith said that what do you want भन्नाटे? So भन्नाटे said, please give me a trowel. Please give me a trowel so that the clay pit will dig out the clay for me with the trowel, and I will get a pot made and get water in it, and with the cold water I will wash my beak. Eating the eggs is what I seek. So at the end what he wants to eat the eggs, and for the eggs he is doing so much of work. For the eggs he is doing so much of work to make the pot so that he can fill the water in it and wash his beak. So what did blacksmith said? Blacksmith said, sure, you can take the trowel, but do remember, written it. What he said? You can take a trowel. I will give you a trowel, okay, to dig the soil. Trowel is from how we can soil dig कर सकते हैं, from which we can dig a soil. So of course you can take the trowel, but written back. उसको वापस करने आना मेरे पास. भन्नाटे took the trowel. वो जल्दी से trowel लिया and he went to the clay pit. और वो clay pit पे चला गया and dug the soil. और soil निकाल के he get some clay. He got the clay and then then the potter made a pot for him and then he gave the clay to the potter, and potter ने क्या किया? उसके लिए beautiful सा pot बना दिया. क्या किया? Beautiful सा pot बना दिया. Okay, he then ran to eat food goodies egg. और फिर वो जल्दी से fly होके कहाँ गया? To the Fudguddi to eat her eggs. By that time the sparrow eggs hatched. Hatch मतलब वो टूट गए. Hatch मतलब like this, eggs is okay, sorry, I will make, wait, like this, eggs is hatched. See, eggs is hatched. और hatch यानी egg में hatched हो गया यानी टूट गया. फिर कौन निकलता है? Baby sparrows. So a little bird came out from it and flew away. A little bird. कौन थी little birds? Sparrows. Sparrow की छोटी छोटी little bird which came out of from the eggs. Which came out of from the eggs. So sparrows, little birds came out of from the eggs and far away from the भन्नाटे. वो दूर उड़ गई, flew away from the भन्नाटे. जैसे ही भन्नाटे वापस आया, इतना सारा वर्क करके, इतनी सारी मेहनत करके, and the little birds flew away, far away from the भन्नाटे. दूर उड़ गई. Okay, so फुडगुड्डी ने अपने एग्स को सेव कर लिया. क्या कर लिया? एग्स को सेव कर लिया. So in the whole story, what we had learned a small story in which sparrow and crow story, sparrows and crow story. Okay, so in this video we had read a story, and related to this story we will going to do some question and answers in the next video. Okay, so till then follow and subscribe Magnet Brains, because Magnet Brains provide free education. Thank you.